Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. It's Monday, May 4th, 2026, and here's your quick and actionable daily briefing. On Friday, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both soared to new all-time highs, with strong earnings fueling the rally and softer crude prices giving investors room to breathe. The S&P closed up 0.5%, while the Nasdaq gained just over 0.7%. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones held steady after a week of back-and-forth swings. Today, we'll discuss why the focus is shifting from tech giants to old economy stocks, how rising oil prices and a falling rupee are shaping sentiment in India, and spotlight large-cap stocks with major upside potential. Let's jump right into the top stories investors need to know. First, U.S. markets are defying expectations as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq keep hitting record levels, led by robust tech earnings and a pause in oil's rally. However, there's a rotation brewing beneath the surface. According to First Global, leadership in global markets has shifted. Small-cap stocks are now outpacing large-cap tech names. In the first 4 months of 2026, the Russell 2000 jumped 13%, more than double the S&P's gains. Top performers? Energy, materials, and industrials, with select semiconductor and hardware names, like Intel and AMD, posting massive gains of 60 to 100%. The takeaway for investors: the AI theme isn't over, but market leadership is broadening fast. Don't just bet on yesterday's tech favorites. Shifting to India, Thursday saw a sharp market pullback as the Nifty slid 0.74% to just under 24,000, and the Sensex dropped nearly 600 points. The culprits? Oil prices surged, the rupee hit record lows, and selling pressure hit FMCG, banks, and autos. Analysts say volatility remains high as investors await election results and global clarity, though technical support is holding around the 23,500 mark. Active names include Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank, both seeing heavy turnover. As India's market consolidates, dips may attract buyers, but caution is warranted with the VIX still elevated. For stock pickers, analysts have spotlighted 10 large-cap Indian stocks with consensus upside potential of 30 to 50% over the coming year. Notable names include Swiggy, projected up 52% to around 412 rupees, InfoEdge and DLF, both with strong buy ratings and over 40% potential gains. Large private banks like HDFC and ICICI also make the list, offering a balance of growth and stability. The practical takeaway: while markets are volatile, selective quality large caps could offer outsized returns in 2026. On the macro front, energy prices are making their mark. With Middle East tensions pushing oil toward $100 a barrel, Baroda BNP Paribas Jitendra Shriram warns that Indian corporate earnings growth could slow to just 10 to 12% in fiscal year 27. Higher fuel costs threaten both monetary easing and consumer spending. Investors should watch sectors sensitive to input costs. Discretionary and transport names may struggle, while exporters in technology and pharma could benefit from a weaker rupee. And in commodities, investment demand for gold in India overtook jewelry buying for the first time this quarter, with volatile prices prompting a strategic shift for investors seeking safe havens. Wheat procurement is down 9% year-on-year due to lower purchases in Madhya Pradesh, which could influence food inflation as the monsoon season approaches. Let's wrap it up with a quick numbers check. The S&P 500 closed at a record 5,415, the Nasdaq at 17,400, and the Dow held firm near 39,000. The big themes: broadening market leadership, the power of energy prices, and resilience in select quality names. Looking ahead, keep an eye on U.S. earnings announcements this week as well as key inflation data and Fed commentary for the next market move. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and visit our website for daily market insights. Thanks for tuning in to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast, your smart, fast, and reliable recap of all things markets.